Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. We're going to be going through hunting in Leo and going through the Pride, the level 1, the beginner list that we have on that. And so let me just get set up here. Let me move my little flashlight over there that I was using to look under my desk for something. And we are going to get started right away. Not going to waste any time today. Have the info up here on LiveSky, and we're going to start with Regulus. If I can spell right, Alpha Leonis, and you're going to see it is right there. It is a brilliant white star. Check for its 8th magnitude companion if you can split it. It's a beautiful split if you can get it. Okay, very easy to do. We'll come back to the little galaxy that's above it. That's pretty faint. The next one to go to is right above it. That's Enleo, but the next one is Algebra. It is a beautiful golden and yellow double star. Here it's going to show, I believe, in LiveSky that it is a yellow star with a white star. If we can get it in, here comes the split. You can see that. Actually, I would say the companion's a faded yellow. Algebra itself is a bright, brilliant golden color. Beautiful double star. We're then going to come back out, and I'm not going to search for this because I know where they're at. We're going to go down to the Leo triplet here. So for the Leo triplet, what I do is I start at Cheriton, and then I just work my way down. There's this set, I kind of call it a reverse L or an L if you look there. Come down, I hop down here to Ed Leonis, and then right down here to HR 4366. And then once I'm there, I can basically just follow an easy star hop over to M65. M65 is the brightest because it's not as spread out, it's more condensed of the Leo triplet. Nice structure, stellar inner core, bright core, stellar nucleus. I've seen a hint of structure on this one in dark enough sky and great transparency. Of course, next to it you have M66 that will share the same field of view in a wide field, or if you're imaging. And again, there's structure there, 8.91 on that one. Beautiful pairing of this. Actually took some images of this on the Sea Star, but it's just really great. And then up here you have NGC 3628. We call it the hamburger, kind of like the dust lane is the hamburger with the two patties above it. We're going to come back to this one when we get to the intermediate and advanced levels because we want to see if we can see the dust lane. You got to be in a dark sky for that. Then if you're in a really dark sky with the right aperture, we're going to see if you can see that tidal tail. I've seen it a couple times in my 25 years. Many times it's not there. It just really depends on location, aperture, and sky conditions. You've got to have excellent, outstanding transparency, but we'll talk more on that later. The next one, we're going to head over to M95, and we will just come over here. So on M95, I'm going to come to K Leonis, 52 Leonis. And we'll come back to these other galaxies later. And I just work my way down from there. You can see it's a very series of stars here. And I'm going to come down here to, that's 105. Actually, I want to come over here to, come on, 95, because that's when we're talking about. You can just work your way down and over, and you'll come down to M95. Beautiful spiral with a bar. If you have the right aperture, right conditions, see if you can see the bar. Then, of course, its companion over here is M96. Again, a beautiful intermediate spiral. Great to see. Great bright inner core, stellar nucleus on this one. From there, we're going to head up to M105. If I can get it to come up right here, you can see, again, it's bright. It's an elliptical. You're going to have a bright inner core and a little bit of a halo around it. Next to it is the lenticular, NGC 3384. It shares the field, and it's bright lenticular, bright inner core, some slight halo around it. Okay, it's also then we're going to go up to 3377, and if I remember right, 3377 is right here. You can just again go to K Leonis, 52 Leonis, and then work your way right down to 3377. It's another elliptical in Leo. So it will show bright inner core. It's bright enough to see. Okay. The next one we go to, I am going to just go to the search on this one, Iota Leonis. And just because it's south of the triplet, it is a bright, beautiful pairing of tight, challenging binary. It's great to test your collimation, see if you have good collimation. Bright yellow, kind of a whitish companion. Great one to split there. So we'll come back out from Iota. We're going to go to one that a lot of people miss. I don't even think I need to really search for it. It's up here off the nose. NGC, I believe this is it, if it will come up. We'll search for it since my program doesn't want to click, my mouse doesn't want to click on it. It's 2903. It is a massive bright spiral in the nose of Leo, and I was on it, knew exactly where it was at. You start here and just hop your way over. It is probably, if you're not going to see any of the other ones on the list, if you haven't seen this one, go see it. It's the one Charles Messier missed. It should be a Messier object. It is bright, it is beautiful, bright core, bright stellar nucleus. Actually, you can see some structure on a good site, dark site, great transparency, I should say. See what you can see there. Then the next one we're going to put back in just because it's off the beaten path a little bit. We have 54 Leonis. We will go there. It's another beautiful double star. You can see it's up from the tail of Leo, and as you come in, you can split the companion. It's another good test. It's a pair of blue-white stars, which makes for a really good pairing to see. The next one we'll go to is NGC 3521. It's a bright flocculent galaxy with a mottled texture to it. And as it says in the notes, we'll come down here. It is way far south in Leo. And you can see just in the image here, it does have mottled, bright inner core, stellar nucleus. See if you can see mottling on that galaxy as you observe it. It is far south. It's a good star hop. I actually won't start in Leo. I usually start over here at, in Virgo at New Virginis. And then I just work my way back over to it. You can also start over here at Beta Sextiens and work your way back over that way as well. And then the last one on the beginner's list is R. Leonis. And R. Leonis is just off of Regulus. It's another beautiful double that will split, and it's not really, it's not a double. It is a variable star that glows with an intense eerie red hue. It's not a double. See if you can see it. If you actually view it over time, you can see the variableness of it. It will brighten and dim. Beautiful, beautiful color. Go take a look at it. That's what we have on the beginner's list. I hope you found that helpful. It's great to get out there and take a look at these objects. Even if you're an experienced observer and just want an easy and enjoyable night, the beginner's list for hunting in Leo is just a great one to go off of. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me. We'll catch you next time. Hope you have clear skies.